Hi folks, so we are coming back from the Hristo fortress, and here are some houses from Gela village, and this is part of the Gela village, and I like the mountain ridges behind these houses and further on the horizon. It's amazing. And check also the Pomporo ski resort and Snežanka tower. This resort is in the Rhodope mountains in Bulgaria, and this is the Gela village vicinity, one of the most beautiful places I've ever been, definitely one of my favorite. And this is Kukovica village in the distance. We have never been there with Stasi, and we will soon go there too. This is going to be this season 2025. Please subscribe if you like the videos we post, like this video, comment below and share to your friends. If you want to support us, you can donate. Check the description of this video for our PayPal email. And thanks for watching and for your support, folks.